let's get this party started. Uh, let me see. Okay, first thing first, let's start with some house cleaning. I'm just gonna remove the pairs that have low payouts. So we just want all the 92%. Um, that one was okay. 86. So let's select all of the 92% because we want to get the highest payouts. All right. Okay, so we're good there. We're just gonna do currencies only. And I've set it up so that right now I'm using 30 seconds time frame, the Heiken Nashi. Uh, okay, so I only have two indicators, the Keltner channels and the moving average to give me an idea of what the market is doing. So uh, I don't typically have to look at the big picture, but I can if I want to. It's typically the trading time is about minute to 2 minutes, 3 minutes, no more than that. So let's see. So let's check. So right now it's a little bit over $65. So what I'm going to be using, um, the shift and the tab to go through the favorite charts, right? It's going to see that. And I'm going to scan and see what I can find. Um, Disclaimer, this is for general information. Shouldn't be an investment decision. Use this content for information purpose only. Okay? So make your own analysis before making an investment based on your personal circumstances. All right? So what am I looking for? It's for reversals. I either trend continuations or reversal, but I can focus today on trend continuation. So what I'm looking at, basically, after it breaks out of a certain key levels, I'm looking to buy to go up, and on the flip side to sell when it goes down. That's pretty much it. I to keep it safe and try to trade without much stress. So that's what I'm looking for right now. So let's see what we can find. Um, so this one has coming down. I think I'm trying to spot a reversal here. There's not much. There's support here. I don't think I want to get into this one. Let's keep flipping. This would be a good one after it calms down. Take a little bit of rest and resumes the uptrend. It's a nice U shape. Don't like this one yet. Let's see. This one looks good for a buy. So I typically risk about only 2%. So 2% of 65 is about $3. Well, so I just keep it simple. Just try $1.50. I can probably buy 2 times. Okay, this looks good. Let's see. Yeah, I probably missed it already. So yeah, I missed it already. So yeah, my support. Yeah, okay. Let's keep cycling through, see what I can find. It's looking a little bit big. But this one is kind of wicky. I don't like this price action. Looking for a continuation down. Let's see. This so shows weaknesses because sometimes it can just spring back up all the way to here. But if I see some weakness, I'll probably just go sell it. Let's see. Just wait until the end of the candle. Seconds. I'm using a time frame of 1 minute right now. No. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. Take a little bit of time. I'm looking for a candle that's smaller here. Okay. Let's see now. The good thing about the Heiken Nashi's candle is that it's an indicator. So it gives you an idea of the strength. No, this is not a go. Okay. And let's keep moving. Nothing to see. I don't typically play inside the Keltner channels. So either at the ends or I like to play outside of it. There's a possible development here. So we have we have that. Okay. Support. Higher lows, higher lows. Let's see this one. Okay. Let's see. It's probably a good one. Let's just wait a little bit. Just gonna go for okay. Let's see if it starts turning into a green candle. Let's see. Not yet. It's not ready yet. See that? Yet. I just want a little bit of strength. Okay. All right. Let's see. I don't want it to fizzle out and come back down. No, it's not doing it. Let's just wait a little bit more. Okay, let's see this one. Let's see how this one goes. It's holding this line, right? Yeah, still okay. Yeah, I don't like how it's going. It's coming too far down. Okay. Sometimes it just push it down, washes everyone out, and it springs back up. So let's see that happens. No, see, at the end of the 30 seconds, it's just gone. So let's see. If it springs back up quickly, then it's probably a buy. But right now, no, not yet. See? Yeah, it's probably not a good one. So it's trying to reverse. This is nice. Yeah, we could. Let's see. I want to see some strength, some buy action coming. Okay, I mean, just wait for a minute. Yep, so far it's working. Yep, so we're down to what, 35 seconds? It's 15. So we should be good. Yeah, I consider this a safe. I could have added some more, but I'm just keeping it simple right now. Just one trade, 2019. Okay. Yeah, still got a little bit of gas to go, so we should be good. So first trade is a winner, right? So just keeping things simple because with a small account, you can't really risk too much. I've seen a lot of YouTubers, streamers. They're actually not streamer. They just save it and then they play like they go all in and then they try to double every time that they trade, and it's not. That's not the way to do it, though. So the only way to do it is to go slow. So I started with 65. I'm at 66. Let me see. So my goal for tonight, even though it's a small account, 65. If I can get it to, let's say, 8%, that would be 70. So yeah, let's look for another trade. I'll do some trades from my demo account. My demo account, I keep it parallel with my trading account. So I'm assuming like I have um, 100 times more, right? So once I get to that level, um, making even a buck 50, what I have here would be 1,500. So this is not a go. Let's keep cycling through. Okay, so we have a nice U shape coming. Um, it has more room to go, so let's see what happens. 4 hours, so here's 7 days. Within 7 days been doing that, right? So it does look like yeah, maybe picking back up, so it's not a bad idea to continue. And there's more room to go for the upside, so let's see what happens here. So um, let's go back to the 30 seconds. 30 seconds still looking good. Let's see if it picks up some strength here. So yeah, let's see. Let's see. It's not ready yet. See, this is the sign. The doji is a perfect sign, but not all the time. So let's see. It's not ready yet. See? Support, support. As long as it doesn't break that line, probably anything below that is just there you go. It's just cropping up. So. And I'm not gonna go that way. I don't like playing that anymore. Okay, let's keep looking. Nice break. I don't chase those ones. I used to short these ones. but not anymore. Kind of learn it the hard way. Yeah, I typically look for place where it's gone outside the kernel channels, and then it dips a little bit. See this nice shape here, and it continues up. But this is inside the kernel channel, so it's starting to look a little bit more dicey to go. Um, so no, this is not a go. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Let's do some house cleaning. 87% and get rid of it. 86%. 73. And get rid of all these low payout pairs. So refill it back up. 92, 92. Okay, that's good. All right. See, here's a good downside trend continuation. Although I wouldn't play it here. This is a good example. So I'm looking for the ones that are candles that are outside. If it comes back up and it sort of like hangs around the bottom of the kernel channel, start curling down, then I'll go back in and I sell it. But yeah, I don't play this anymore. I don't like to do that. So let's keep cycling through. Nothing to see. Nothing to see. This one's curling back up, but sometimes what it does is just at the bottom it just chops around, and it's nothing good. Hmm. So this one is good to wait maybe a couple minutes. See how this came back down. So I'm looking for trend continuation to the downside. Now the only issue is that we have support here. So either go. Let me see. Yeah, it's not even going up. Yeah, nothing to do here. Honestly, this is a high risk trade. Either following down, it's just high risk because it can at any time can snap back in, and who knows what it's gonna do. Okay, I don't like playing this anymore. So it's like this one, right? I see some weaknesses. It's played outside. Come on. Yeah. Look, looking to continue in this one. It's quite strong. Maybe 15 seconds. lower my risk too. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. It's quite wiki. It's pretty wiki here. We're sort of trying to. It's gone sideways. You know, it's gone sideways. So until it breaks and comes. No, I don't want to play this one. Stick to what works, and even if it starts to get boring. Probably miss the reversal on this one. Yeah. Okay. Let's say this one here. Let's look for weakness here. Yeah, it's looking weak now. It's looking weak now. Either a minute or 2 minutes work. Come on, print the red one. I'm gonna probably wait until it prints a red one. Yeah, no, see? That's why I gotta wait probably until the end of the candle. Let's see. Goes back up. It's looking quite weak. Okay, going in. But I might have jumped the gun. Let's see what happens. It was looking weak to me, so I just went little. Um, just gonna shop around a little bit. It's not worth my time. Come on, man. Give me the winner. Yeah, don't change your mind. There you go. 9, 8. Come on, don't snap again. 4, 5, 3. Oh, oh, come on. There you go. All right. Got another winner. My goal is what? 70? Oh man, I better add some more. Um, it's my first live stream. I don't want to bomb this. So let's see. Okay, let's look. Do some house cleaning. Let's see. 92, 92, 92, 71. Goodbye. 68. Goodbye. 33. Hmm. Some of this I don't even know what they are. Euro, GBP, Chilean pesos, Philippine pesos. What is NOK? Hmm. Czech franc. Okay. Okay, let's see. Just a couple more trades. Maybe switch to the big account. I'm cycling through this. See, this looks like a possible reversal. Yeah. Maybe a little late. Sometimes it's just not strong enough. Gotta give it a little bit more time. I'm not gonna go back in now. I don't know. No, no, no. See, doesn't look strong to me. So you're looking for strength. Okay, so yeah, could be a downside continuation. Let's see. Oh, did I miss it? Oh man, I think I missed that one. Can I still going? Yeah, see, probably a good one for a minute. So two, we would have gotten it right there, right here. So let's just suppose I went in here, maybe a little bit lower. Yeah, so it's bringing back up. So yeah, that wouldn't have worked. Part of it is nearing this support line, so not really a good one to choose. Just try to find something that has no support. So. All right, let's keep going. Let's see. This is a good one. Let's see. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Give me a green print. Give me a green candle. See, I want to see some strength here picking up. Come on. Nothing to see yet. Calm down and spring back up. Are you gonna go? Are you gonna go? Let's see. Come on. Come on. Let's make some money. Come on. Come on. All right. I could have won 30 seconds. Sometimes it just can go. All right. Looks like we have another winner. Hey, girly. So I just want to go through this again. Yeah, that's a winner. We've got a winner. So the trading pattern to recognize is this one, right? You see how it broke? It broke the resistance. So hang around, it broke again. I typically would go here. That would be a good point to go in right here. On this chart, basically as soon as you spot the strength, just go in. Just go in because number one, you have all this support, and as it start reversing back, it keeps continuing. It's a good buy. So yeah, just recognize this one. Here's a little too late. I don't like buying it here. I'd rather buy here because it's also so many options. Like you got 30 seconds or 1 minute, it's fine. It's good enough. Sometimes a minute's better than 30 seconds because it may just chop around, chop around. Yeah. Hey, yeah, hope you're learning something. Yeah, so this is my preferred pattern. I love this one, right? So tonight I've been focusing on buying. I haven't done any selling yet. So, yep, that's what we're doing. We're buying. See, we just bought it here and it continue, right? So that's the plan outside the kernel channels. Look for look for the strength and just go with it, right? So let's see again. I was cleaning, get rid of low payouts, and we're good here. Okay, let's keep cycling. For cycling, just press the shift and tap on the keyboard, and you cycle through this easy. You don't have to click on it, right? So this is a good one. I mean, although he has been on a downtrend for a while, um, yeah, it's looking too strong to continue the downtrend, right? So it may just reverse. So I wouldn't touch this. It's looking pretty strong, right? So yeah, um, let's continue. Weak everywhere, chops, inside kernel channels, nothing to see, nothing to do. This one is not ready yet. No chasing, no FOMO, no fear of missing out. Just it's developing into, well, this is a W, but it's kind of a U shape. So eventually this one will get up to here. Yeah, it's so strong that it's gonna get up to here. Sometimes it just reverses all the way up, you know. So let's keep cycling through. Nothing to do here. Nothing to do here. Nothing to do here. It's a good one. You recognize it. Okay, so let's see. You see why? It's it's on an uptrend and it's doing this nice um, curl, right? But this one already said, like, see, uh, it looks like it wants to reverse, right? So anything that's below here, you see how this week the buyers are picking up, but if they start breaking that area, then it's no good. Like you don't want to buy it, you don't want to buy, and you don't want to go sell it either. Okay, okay, let's see. Um, 1 minute. It's looking. Let's look. Let's see. Let's see some strength. Nothing. 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 Although you see how these Heiken-Ashi candles, they're showing, they're getting smaller and smaller, but this one is bigger, so it's giving out. Nah, it's giving out. Yeah, but it's picking marking. Sometimes it just goes back and it's, see, sometimes it just does that, right? So I'm not gonna get them all 100%, but statistically, if you're over 52%, then you're gonna make money in options, right? And the key is not to go crazy with your amount here. You gotta manage your risk. Well, this is just not looking good anymore. I don't know. I need to see some strength. This is not. Um, Technically still okay. You see how the resistance becomes support. There you go. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. No, I don't like this. I just don't like this. It's too weak. But it's going, it's going, it's going. Okay, let's see. Yeah, let's see. Come on. Yeah, sometimes it's just giving up, but there you go. Come on. You can do it. Yeah, you can do it. You got 33 seconds. Come on, baby. think I'm gonna call it the night after this, but I'm gonna go try the demo account just to put things in perspective. Yeah, it's another winner. So I got 4 of 4. Did I get 4 of 4? Anyways, yeah. The key is not to go crazy. I met my target and calling the nights, right? So there's no need to keep trading. I already reached 8% of my account. I was just getting too greedy. See how this is cropping out? So yeah. So let me try 63 in my demo because somehow you gotta practice with a bigger account, right? So in your mind, it doesn't matter whether it's 60,000 or $60. You gotta look at it as a game of percentages, right? So I'm gonna do some cleanup and I'll show you why it's so important to develop discipline. Um, okay. So let's add some more here. Let's fill it up. When you click on the stars, it goes up in the favorites, right? So that's what you do once in a while. Always check out the payouts. You don't want to be trading anything that has less than the maximum amount of payouts. So I treat my demo account the same way I treat my real account. So, and part of this is, imagine this is $63. It's just the same thing, right? So before I was using what, 1.5. All right, let's go $1,500, right? It's the same thing. So $1,500. I'll change it for a minute. Same thing, same everything. So let's try one. So 30 seconds. I use 30 seconds. 30 seconds because it gives you more opportunity. So what now? We have 10 minutes. Let's say if this is a 63,000, it could be like $600 account. It's the same. So the payout on this one is 92% of 1,500, which is quite good. But say if you have $600, the payout, you know, is 150, less than 150, 92% of 150, which is not bad for only one trade, right? So um, let's go through. Oh, here, there you go. That's a good one here. You notice what I'm looking for? The same thing. Nice curl. I'm waiting to pick up some strength. If it doesn't, just let it go. See, sometimes it just doesn't go and it goes all the way down. So yeah, this one is just, sometimes you want to see why it's doing that. So in the past 13 days, with the candles 4 hours, there's still about 3 hours 50. So there's room to go. There's way more room to go. So probably can go back up to here and then start coming back down. So yeah, that's the initial of the candle for the 4 hours. So there's more room to go. But don't let that fool you because sometimes having a strong opinion can be, oh, I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. Yeah. I missed it. Yeah, I don't want to get in there now. So, see? See the 30 seconds, 2 minutes. This one wasn't gonna work if I picked it up too late. It could still work in 2 minutes, right? So right now, I'm just only playing with 1 minute. Let's keep looking. And just keep looking for the same thing over and over and over until it becomes so boring that you just do it with your eyes closed. So don't come up with anything fancy, anything new. Something that works for you, and that's it. Just repeat it, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. This one not getting into because you see how there's so many wicks, means that it goes and come back, goes and come back, goes come back. So it's not really a good one for trend continuation. If I wanted to go, I need a convincing, nice, clean candles. I don't like these wiki candles. It's good for reversals though, but I'm not playing reversal right now. I'm playing trend continuation. Um, I don't know. See this one, how it does? It could. This is chopping around. Let me see. It could just do that. Sometimes, sometimes it just, sometimes it just does this until, you know, until it decides whether it goes up or it goes down. But this one is, it's looking strong, but there's nothing I can do here. Yeah, I could catch the breakout, but now that's not what I want to do. I've gotten burned so many times. Although I could wait for the breakout, come back down, then I'll go back in. But right now, I wouldn't play any of this. So let me see. I want to do at least one trade. Yeah. I don't play inside the channel. I used to do that, but sometimes it's just too choppy. Choppy means it goes up and down, up and down. But as soon as this turns from red to green, sometimes it's just very good one to pick up for 30 seconds, right? Yeah, it's too late for everything. So the key is to be patient. Oh, this one here, okay. So, yeah, this one broke below the average. The moving average broke below the channel. It may come back down here. Sometimes, I don't know, it's still looking quite strong, see? You see, this is not a good one to play once you start looking at, yeah, yeah. Nothing to do here, nothing to do here. Not ready yet, not ready yet, not ready yet. Yeah. This one looks like it might, let me see. It's going pretty much, it may continue down. Look at that. Let me just catch it for a minute. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, nothing. Nothing to do there yet. No, it's too risky. This one is a good one after it comes back up. So then it does that, right? Just continue, right? So yeah, so we can watch for a little bit, right? Let's see how strong is this. Yeah, so once the candle becomes big, then yeah, and it goes inside the channel, it's just gonna rip through. I used to just play it that way too, but don't don't complicate things because then you gotta become good at doing everything. It's better to become good at something and try to become good at everything. So the rest, just forget it. If I don't find anything, I'm just gonna end the live stream. But I do want to try one more because it's important to practice. I'm just using this one as a practice. Oh, here, this is a good one. You see how strong it was. So meaning that it's gonna take a break and it's gonna continue back up. Why? Maybe not. Maybe this was an impulse. If it goes back up, it's gonna do something like this, right? It's gonna go. It's gonna go like this, maybe like here, and then it's gonna go back up, right? But and sometimes it just goes all the way down, and it just like I don't like to play when it's just right inside the channel. Maybe on the upper portion of the channel still okay, right? So let's see. Let's see. Yep, it's buyers are picking up, but it's not ready yet. Not ready yet. Okay, come on. I want to see a smaller. Oh no, it's way too low now. Okay, if you come back up to here with a doji is like, it looks like a cross, right? A doji looks like this, right? Looks like that. Amen. Okay, so let's see. Let's wait. It's still not bad. Let's see how. But I don't know. Going crazy drawing this thing. Nothing here. You're wasting my time. Okay, okay, let's go. Let's move. Let's move. You see this one here? It's just a lot of resistance up there. So, all right. It's a big impulse down. Nice doji. We can go. We can try a reversal instead of trend continuation. Let's see. Do I want to do that? Look at how he hesitates. This is like a gambling. We're gonna go up, we're gonna go down, we're gonna go up, we're gonna go down. No way. No way. Yeah, well, find what works for you and repeat it, like, just do that, nothing else. All right, so I'm gonna end it here. I'm not even gonna play my demo account because I treat it seriously. So in my mind, my real account is the same as my demo account, but 1,000 times more. So eventually, this $70 gonna be 700. It's gonna be 7,000. I'm just gonna keep it because my challenge, my my challenge is to grow this small account. And yeah, so I hope this is being helpful, and we'll try it again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.